welcome, trolls. First sees all.
Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Bruce Swartz. A great pleasure to have each and every one of you here. Thanks for subscribing. The interest, of course. It's hard to make a YouTube channel, and with the support that I'm getting from each and every one of you, it pays off. All the work that I'm doing, I really thank you, and I appreciate it. It has to be known that it really is. I really am grateful. Some great news while we look at a UFO. This is Eratosthenes crater that you just saw, by the way, on the moon. And here is a cigar-shaped UFO from my friend Frank Breteau. There's objects under the mists and hazes on the surface. Are they easy to see? No. Are they impossible to see? No. That's for sure. Some great news, my friends. The next live stream, if you know how orders work when you order something, sometimes they're late. Infrared second-gen camera on the way. I'm going to have one hell of a nice setup now for sure to observe the sky. Some new things, some new features coming that I'll be explaining to you all, my good friends, along the coming weeks. A UFO or biological creature. Watch it expanding and contracting. Whether it be debris, okay, I've never seen any debris expand or contract. Let's go over to planet Jupiter. These are the Galilean moons that are around it. And a couple captures of UFOs that I got that I never really went back to view and to look close up with you guys. So let's take a look at these amazing captures of the Galilean moons, Jupiter, all around it, up close, objects coming to and from Jupiter, and then we'll go see some other cool stuff. Thanks for watching, everyone. UFOs coming up. What looks like several objects that fly by Jupiter or that appear near Jupiter. Sirius. And now we go to the moon. I filmed the moon for 3 hours last night, got some really nice clear footage along the Terminator line, and I'll be sharing that with you guys later on. This is a cloud-like UFO seen amongst the hazes of the surface of the moon, going between two lit objects that are stationary. Are we looking at transportation? Are these lit points that are stationary on the surface guide marks? Are they marks for direction? Objects on the surface, on fire, also smoke coming from these objects as they get smaller and head towards the surface in a descent like a landing. Does it make any sense that videos on YouTube about UFOs can reach millions, but the real thing doesn't seem to be reaching the ones that are looking for this stuff? That's why I'm so appreciative of having each and every one of you here sharing this work. It's serious, real, declassified work, which is probably classified top secret, honestly. If you consider what so long the governments and so long the militaries, these aren't things that they post in the news. Hey, look, something large, a piece of metal smacked into the moon or something. They're not going to talk about it. But I'm able to see it and show it in a way that, wow, we could see how it's catching on fire. We could see what's actually coming off of it when it does. And it's large objects on fire going to the moon. So we see some going to the moon on fire, and we see some on the moon that look like they're literally descending to the surface like a landing, a NASA landing, honestly. And why do I say that? Because just basically you see them going down to the surface, like they're landing. So this is the object that went by the moon, and look, you can see it looks like a solid object, right? And then whoop, it catches on fire, breaks up, whatever, changes shape and form. And this is all happening, of course, really, really fast to be able to capture it. So I still see some people saying that the lights that I'm capturing are satellites. I'm capturing both UFOs and satellites. I don't care what anyone thinks. I actually respect your opinions. If you guys don't believe that these are UFOs, it's not a problem. But I'm going to continue showing my amazing directional changing satellites, which basically the whole world knows that they don't change directions. So no matter what anybody can do, start a website, write a book, it doesn't really change anything when you see just this simple video. It's what changed my mind in believing that they were all satellites, and it's what's going to change your minds, because these are changing directions in the sky. They're flashing, they're getting big and small, they're slowing down, changing directions, guaranteed that they're not all satellites. And are these considered the Tic Tacs? I'm not sure what people consider Tic Tacs. I know this literally looks like the white Tic Tacs, but is it that? I don't know, but they're on the moon. Secure Team, Tyler, had showed a triangle, an amazing video that wasn't his. He shared a video of someone else's channel, of course, but it was an amazing video, and there's that triangle, same bloody thing that I've shown at least 25 times on the moon, a UFO moving over the surface with 3 lights, and there's always together, moving along the surface over the moon. People are seeing it here and there. See the smokes and hazes? How much proof do you want to see that there's clouds on the moon? Not just clouds. Look at the flashing. There's an interaction on the surface. A whole bunch of activity going on under there over a green, very overall green surface that's very colorful. Many colors on the surface of the moon. And there's that close-up amazing flash. You see it here inverted. It's happening under the hazes. What is it? It's a light. Stationary light that's there, like checkpoints. spying. Way up there in the moon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. They may be coming soon. They may be coming soon. Aliens on the moon. They're spying. They're finding.
This is Houston. Say again, please.